Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and on the 16th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. So this is now December 16. I hope you guys are really enjoying this journey. And I've seen from the comments that you guys really enjoy too when I'm giving you examples and ideas by bringing back previous Advent days, and we still have more to go. So on 16, here we go. Ooh, 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 it's so, I just love this. And it's a die set. Yay, yay, yay. Loving the die sets. What does this one say? Oh, does it say love? Alrighty, let's take a closer look. I still get uber excited by dies. You guys are always like, Suzanne, you're so excited by dies. Yes, my journey into crafting started off with die cutting, manual die cutting, electronic die cutting. It's pretty, but I don't get as excited. This is what I get excited for. Metal dies, love. So this is for you. Look at that. Shadow. And then the for you. Oh, can you see some birthday cards coming with this one? Good to have all these birthday cards too. Always good to have them on hand. 2 1/8 of an inch wide by 1 inch tall. So this is a little bit shorter than that. So cute for you. Alrighty, self-explanatory. I love that it comes with that shadow. Let's look at my example. Let's get started. Here is my December 16 card. And as you can see, it's a winter Christmas birthday card. I had to pull out the gnome. And in this card, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm using 4 previous Advent days and also today. So that's 5 Advent days in total. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, well, let's start off with the background first. So technically, what I used from my stash, it's only 2 items really. Everything else is within the Advent calendar to make this card. Love. Out of my stash, I used Flurry of Snowflakes 3D embossing folder, oversized embossing folder. Crafters, if you love making Christmas cards and you love a good snowflake embossing folder with some snow falling, this embossing folder is it. She is a winner. Beautiful embossing folder. You have to use the universal plate system with her though, because she's a 3D embossing folder, but hello, the detail. In the center of some of the snowflakes, I did use the second thing from my stash, Crystal Mix Gems. That's it. 2 items. Everything else, Advent calendar, except for the cardstock. From my stash too. Love this embossing folder. Oversized, 5.5 inch wide, 8.5 inch tall. This winter birthday gnome. Let's go down memory lane. Day 6 was the first time I introduced the gnome. And then on day 9, I did the Christmas gnome in an oversized card. So you can see with this little gnome die set from day 6, we can just make so much variety and fun. Waving high or holding a balloon. In this instance, in this card, the entire sentiment is a balloon. So it's the for you, and then here are the little stars, like what he holds here from the die set. So cute. And I did put a little bit of glitter. So this card is a more of a aqua, teal, turquoise colorway with some white. On the bottom here, that's revisiting day 3. Remember this one? I call this one the Geo Edger because it has a geometric shape. This new shape, that's an accident. So let's talk about it. I was going to back up the white glitter cardstock with that white cardstock and then just have it like so. And then something said, you know what? Flip it upside down. That's all I did. And then I created a new shape with this little this little porter die. Is so cute. So if you have it, pull it out and just play with it. You can use it, that's the edging, or you can use this decorative piece. You can use them both together. Just play. Don't get too serious about the card making. Have fun. It's the holidays. Then that for you. Straightforward fabulousness right there. Super easy. I did white cardstock in the back, silver glitter cardstock for the letters, and then I, dabbed all this crystal part of the Crystal Mix Gems in the centers and around. This is a A2 top folding card. So where is the rest of all these dies and stamps and etc.? Here it is. I did Day 4's happy birthday. Just the sentiment alone again. I love that on the inside. Take that idea, use it because it's a good one. I didn't bother with the shadow. You could use the shadow if you want, but I don't think it needs it. I think it's just super cute. And the more you keep adding on is the more bulk. So by doing it this way, you reduce bulk just by doing one layer. So happy birthday. And then from day 13, make a wish. It's happy birthday. Until further notice, celebrate everything. Love, love, love. This I stamped freehand because, yeah, I thought about it after making the card. I know. So crafters, don't do like me. If you know you're going to stamp something on the inside, stamp the sentiment first and use your Misty to get it straight. It didn't look bad though. At least I didn't mess it up like before. Okay, crafters. I know I sound horrific. I'm trying to get better, but it's just my body's just taking longer than I would like it to. But at least I don't have COVID, so it's probably just a flu that nobody else is catching in the house. I'm the only one here sick and sounding awful and filming videos every single day for you guys because I am just enjoying this whole Advent calendar journey. And I'm so happy that you guys are like watching and like taking little tips. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to do the border. A few of you had commented, how do I control that border strip from day 15? I'm going to do that tomorrow, okay? In the day 17 video. I was going to do it here, but the snowflake called me. Yeah, the snowflake came in and the snowflake said, no. You need to use me. Not so I decided to go that way and then put my little guy and do this cute little birthday cards because people are born in this December, January, February time, like myself. Alrighty, crafters, until December 17th, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.